Hi guys, I am going to show you how to convert your images into black and white using Adobe Photoshop. Sometimes black and white images are better tools to express human feelings than color images. So let's start. First, open your image in Adobe Photoshop that you need to edit. Then right click on layer and take a duplicate layer. Then you can see the bottom of layer panel. The tool name is fill or adjustment layer tool. Click on that. Now you can click on the black and white. You will see immediately your image turns into black and white. If your image contains specific color such as red, yellow, green, majority, then we can edit that color intensity or darkness using these parameters. After the editing, we can close the dialog box. Apart from that, there is another technique we can use, that is click on the same tool and go to hue and saturation. In hue and saturation, we can make the saturation into -100. You will see immediately the image turns into black. Using these two techniques, you can easily turn image into a grayscale mode. After editing this, if we need to spotlight this girl's face, we can do that using same tool and take a gradient map. In gradient map, we can give black and white gradient and a little bit darker color, and then select the mask and take a brush tool, large brush, and we can change that brush size accordingly and change the opacity as well using these parameters. Then we can give simple click like this. Now you see her face is more spotlight than the original black and white conversion. So these are the basic steps we can follow into convert images into black and white. Thank you.